welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share your September 2018 add-on kits. There are 3 add-ons, the cardstock, patterned paper, and embellishments, that you can choose to add on to your Flavors of the Month kit. They'll make your kits go even further, and you'll have a wide variety of choices to create all kinds of projects. So let's take a closer look at each one of these add-ons. First, let's look at the cardstock add-on. The cardstock add-on is going to give you 3 additional cardstocks for each one of the 4 collections. They've been chosen to coordinate perfectly with each one of the collections. For crepe paper Willow Lane, we have 1 sheet of Canary and 2 sheets of Wisteria. The Fancy Pants Magnolia Lane, we have 1 sheet of Quartz and 2 sheets of Ivy. And then Pretty Little Studio Savannah Dreams, we have 1 sheet of Mustard and 2 sheets of Seawater. Simple Stories Dream Big, we have a sheet of Banana and 2 sheets of Robin's Egg. So these are great if you like to do your layouts on cardstock backgrounds, or if you want to do some digital die cutting or mat your photos. It's just going to give you more cardstock to go along with your kits to make them go even further. The patterned paper add-on is one of my favorites because I love patterned papers and getting more choices to do projects with. So with the patterned paper add-on, you're going to get 2 additional patterned papers for each one of the 4 collections. So none of these will be duplicates, but there'll be 2 additional papers other than what's in your Flavors of the Month kit. So for Maggie Holmes Willow Lane from Crepe Paper, we have this one called Sweet Rose, and it's a rose stitched design on the blue background. The back side is more of that stitching look in pink on a cream background. The second paper for Willow Lane is Bright Days, and this one's gorgeous. It looks very old, antique looking, so just a very soft, beautiful pattern. The back is pink with a little bit of splattered distressing and some wavy lines going through it. For Fancy Pants Magnolia Moments, we have this one called Heart and Home, and it's a heart and home text on a scallop on a black background. The back is a black geometric design on white. This one, called Home Sweet Home, are all of these hand-drawn homes in white on that dark navy background. And the back side is a beautiful wood grain. For Pretty Little Studio and Savannah Dreams, we have this one that's just a fun, whimsical little design in pink and white, and then a brush stroke border strip that matches the back side, which is just a lot of paint brush strokes in different colors. This one's called Inner Artist. Next paper is these blue florals. I love how it has kind of a light colored shadow stamp behind it, just a mirror image of that. And the back is the pink with a white design. This one's called Laugh All Day. Then from Simple Stories Dream Big, we have this one called Chase Rainbows, which is rainbows with the clouds at the bottom on a turquoise background, and an off-white dot on pink. Then some cute unicorns on this turquoise. This one is called Just Imagine. And the back side are some fun circles and the different colors with some drawn stars. So one more look at all of the patterned papers in your patterned paper add-on. As you can tell, you'll have a lot of fun choices to go through and add to your Flavors of the Month if you add this to your kit. So that is the patterned paper add-on. The embellishment add-on is one of my favorites because I love to layer up clusters on my layouts and just create all kinds of fun things with beautiful little embellishments. So you're going to get more embellishments for each one of the 4 kits. This month you're going to get half a pack of the sticker sheets for the crepe paper Willow Lane. So these are going to vary, but this is the sheet that I got. And then for the Fancy Pants Magnolia Lane, you're going to get the border stickers. So this is what will be in your kit. Love the little lace border here and the alphabet. For Pretty Little Studio and Savannah Dreams, you're going to get a sheet of the cut apart labels and then half a pack of the little ephemera pieces here. So you're going to get lots of words and some stars and some hearts. So your words may vary and some of the colors may vary a little bit, but that's a good idea of what could be in your embellishment kit. And then for Simple Stories Dream Big, you're going to get the entire pack of die cut ephemera bits and pieces, and you can see it is chock full of all kinds of embellishments. So I'll show you the back here so you can kind of see all of the things that you're going to get. So definitely plenty to do the embellishments on your projects with that. And there's that cute little cat with his little unicorn mermaid. So that's a look at the Embellishment Add-on kit. One more look at your 3 add-ons. Be sure to check out the video for the flavors of the month so that you can see the entire kit and to get this added onto your order. Come on over to the Facebook group and the blog to join in on the challenges and see what the design team's creating with their kits as well as your fellow subscribers. And if you're not already subscribed to the YouTube channel, click that coffee cup to subscribe so that you won't miss out on any of the videos. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.